everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you some embroidered net fabric blouse designs. These you can make either from embroidered net fabric and wear camisole inside, or you can make padded blouses also with these embroidered net fabric. So keep watching to know the different varieties of net embroidered blouses to wear with net sarees.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.